that has basically erupted between RJD and the BJP when it comes to the state of Bihar and its voter list controversy. Tejasvi Yadav there complaining his name was omitted from the voter list, but it's the Election Commission there refuting that claim of Tejasvi Yadav, confirming his name is indeed on the list. The Election Commission has issued a notice to Tejasvi Yadav asking him to produce his EPIC number, his EPIC card for investigation due to discrepancies when it comes to the numbers that are being provided, saying there are two numbers there. Listen in to what is being said.
कल जो हमने सवाल पूछे हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन से कि इसमें इलेक्शन कमीशन ने आखिर क्यों छुपाया है, जो लोग भी हैं बूथ वाइज जो है एपिक नंबर जो होता है, EPIC नंबर जो होता है, जो लोग जिनकी मृत्यु हुई है, जिनका स्थानांतरण हुआ है, या जो लोग जो है दूसरे विधानसभा चले गए हैं या शिफ्टेड है, आज उन लोगों को कम से कम इलेक्शन कमीशन को बताना चाहिए कि आखिर क्या कारणवश जो है नाम कटा गया।
तस्वीर में अलग एपिक नंबर था जिसका नंबर है RAB 29161120, जो गलत नंबर बताया गया था। कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जो बताया गया था वो वोटर आईडी कार्ड देखिए आप। तो दो वोटर आईडी कार्ड हैं, एक वोटर आईडी कार्ड जो मैंने आपको दिखाया और वह एपिक कार्ड के साथ यह है, और दूसरा वाला यह है जिसमें दूसरे एपिक कार्ड नंबर का जिक्र कल तेजस्वी जी कर रहे थे। यह है तेजस्वी यादव की हकीकत।
Of course, ECI there asking Tejasvi Yadav, to hand over his EPIC card. And Aishwarya joining us to get us the very latest on this. Aishwarya, what kind of trouble could Tejasvi Yadav be in because of the discrepancies we are seeing at these two EPIC cards that are being spoken about by the BJP?
Well, the Election Commission of India has already written back to RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav and asked clarification regarding two EPIC numbers, what he earlier stated during the press conference, and the number that was shown by him to what the Election Commission of India had found out, that there is another EPIC number that was registered in his name as far as the Aadhaar card details are concerned. And certainly it is the Bharatiya Janata Party who is calling to register an FIR for having two of the voter cards of RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, and the Election Commission also stating that these are baseless claims of Tejasvi Yadav against the Election Commission as far as the entire voter roll revisions are concerned. Remember, this is the battle which is going on on the streets of the state of Bihar and also in the parliament as well. Today in the parliament, as it will resume, there are several adjournment motions that have been moved. The opposition parties categorically demanding a discussion in the parliament on the voter list revision. As far as the opposition parties are concerned, they have been stating that this is a complete vote chori, and the BLOs that have been assigned, they are deleting the names and not filling the forms of those, and the process already had been completed, and in the final data that had been given out, the opposition parties clearly stating that it was a biased way of filling the form that had been done so far. But this is going to the reactions and the statements that are coming from Tejasvi Yadav. This is going to be something that will boil down as far as the issue is concerned, just not in the parliament but outside the parliament as well. Remember, at 10 a.m. in the parliament, there are India bloc leaders who would be meeting and would be strategizing as to how they would corner the government in the parliament, and 10:30 a.m. is the protest that will be lodged by the India bloc MPs as well. This is a repeated protest that we have seen so far. On the other side, Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav would be taking a padyatra in these in 33 districts of Bihar, and will be taking the issue further to the streets of Bihar as well. There has been on 8th of August the India bloc leaders who would be gathering at the Election Commission of India, and a gherav has been planned as well. But of course, it remains to be seen that how Tejasvi Yadav responds to the Election Commission of India's charge of baseless claims and demanding that he should be submitting the voter card back and the EPIC card back to the Election Commission, so that transparency should come out.
Aishwarya, of course, handing over the card, that is the demand of the Election Commission. Prabhakar, our colleague, also with us to get us the very latest. Prabhakar, from his name missing from the electoral roll list to having 2 epic numbers, how does this even happen?
See, and it only adds to the trouble which Tejasvi Yadav would get into. Remember, this was started by Tejasvi himself. This was a very hastily done press conference which he organized at Patna, where he actually displayed before the media as to how his name was not been able to, he was not able to find his name in the voter list, and he displayed the entire process before the media. He displayed his card even, and later it came to light that he had another card, because the Election Commission actually immediately came out with a detail of his serial number of his card, and then it was discovered that there are 2 epic numbers. Now the Election Commission has asked for an inquiry into it. The BJP is saying that there should be an FIR against Tejasvi Yadav, so it would only add to the trouble. But remember, this is not going to they are not going to let this issue die down. That this issue still remains, and it remains the core issue of the 2025 election in Bihar, and we are seeing it playing not only in the parliament but also in the state assembly or on the streets of Patna. As we have been seeing, there was a Bandh call given. They have called for a Padyatra, which would be joined by Rahul Gandhi, and Tejasvi Yadav would be participating into it. But as far as this particular issue is concerned, certainly Tejasvi Yadav is on the back foot. This was a decision which the decision to make this public was a hastily done, and they did not do their homework well.